Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change the delivery address in Amazon. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Amazon application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the home page of Amazon, you can see the profile icon on bottom of the screen. You tap on it. Now here you need to tap on your account. Inside your account there, at the account settings section, you can see the option of your addresses. You need to tap on it. Now here you can either add a new address or you can add a new pickup location. As we are going to change our delivery address, so we need to tap on add a new address. Here you can use a current location or you also can go in for choosing any of the country or the location that you want to. Now then you need to go in for providing your full name, that is your first name and last name. Then go in for providing your street address. Go in for providing your city, your state, province or the region. Then go in for providing your zip code. Then at last you go in for providing your phone number. Here after providing all the details, you just need to tap on add address. And as you can see, the address has been added in my Amazon account. That is, my delivery address has been changed on Amazon. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change your delivery address on Amazon. Thank you.